Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers cheap Red Bluff local and long-distance movers near me. We provide the best expert long-distance moving solutions to help make your move so much simpler. Whether you're moving one state over or you need to move across the country, we are here to assist you. With us, you get all the right moving services to make relocating a lot easier. Selecting our team means you receive access to all the standard long-distance moving services and all of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Choosing to work with a local California moving company might not seem like it's worth the price. However, after a close look at the main benefits of hiring a local moving company, you will likely see that it's well worth it. Any trustworthy moving company will likely help you save time on your local move. Movers can also ensure you don't need to stress over injuries since you will not have to do any heavy lifting. Our crew of professional movers are going to make sure your move is really efficient, due to the fact that we simplify your whole entire move. Even if your move is large enough that it would take you all week, we can get it done in less than a single day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Red Bluff moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.